Welcome back. Today we are at project number 5. Project number 5, we search for free images as usual. We create animated images. We export PowerPoint slides into a video. The slides, we export some or we convert some into video. We add sound effects. We will also edit audio tracks. We will also add voiceover. We add background music. We export the video and publish it. So this is what we'll get. This will be the PowerPoint. Let me preview it. You see this. We will add voiceover to it and background music to this slides, and we will export it into a video. So it won't be a PowerPoint fast. Now it will be a video file. Okay, let's jump into it.